Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 43. In this lesson, we're going to learn the comparative form of adjectives. The marker of the comparative can be mpi, mpa, and ma, depending on the conjugation of the word. In general comparative form, we use mpi. Now, let's look at some examples. Hieno, hienompi.
Fine, finer.
Hassu, hassumpi.
Silly, sillier.
Heikko, heikompi.
Weak, weaker.
Helppo, helpompi.
Easy, easier.
Iso, isompi.
Big, bigger.
Tyly, tylympi.
Rude, ruder.
Hento, hennompi.
Delicate, more delicate.
Kelpo, kelvompi.
Decent, more decent.
Words of two syllables that end in a or a will have the final a or a replaced by an e when you add the comparatives marker. Here are some examples. Hauska, hauskempi.
Funny, funnier.
Kiva, kivempi.
Nice, nicer.
Vankka, vankempi.
Sturdy, sturdier.
Arka, arempi.
Tender, more tender.
Köyhä, köyhempi.
Poor, poorer.
Laiska, laiskempi.
Lazy, lazier.
Halpa, halvempi.
Cheap, cheaper.
Herkkä, herkempi.
Sensitive, more sensitive.
Long words don't undergo the same change as short words. They retain their final vowel before the comparatives marker. Here are some examples. Ihana, ihanampi.
Lovely, lovelier.
Matala, matalampi.
Low, lower.
Väkevä, väkevämpi.
Strong, stronger.
Terävä, terävämpi.
Sharp, sharper.
Mukava, mukavampi.
Friendly, more friendly.
Vakava, vakavampi.
Serious, more serious.
New words are often loan words. Usually, they're recognizable because they resemble words in other languages. For these words, the comparative will consist of the adjective's basic form with the comparative's marker mpi added to it. Here are some examples. Siisti, siistimpi.
Cool, cooler.
Intiimi, intiimimpi.
Intimate, more intimate.
Radikaali, radikaalimpi.
Radical, more radical.
Elegantti, elegantimpi.
Elegant, more elegant.
Villi, villimpi.
Wild, wilder.
Populaari, populaarimpi.
Popular, more popular.
Kiltti, kiltimpi.
Kind, kinder.
Akuutti, akuutimpi.
Urgent, more urgent.
For old adjectives ending in e, you will replace the final e with e. After that, the comparatives marker mpi can be added to it. Here are some examples. Suuri, suurempi.
Large, larger.
Nuori, nuorempi.
Young, younger.
Pieni, pienempi.
Small, smaller.
Here is another group of adjectives. In this group, you add e to the end and then mpi. Here are some examples. Ahne, ahneempi.
Greedy, greedier.
Tuore, tuoreempi.
Fresh, fresher.
Terve, terveempi.
Healthy, healthier.
There are many groups of adjectives that end in a consonant. Adjectives ending in as. Replace the as with a and add mpi to the strong stem. Adjectives ending in is. Replace is with e and add mpi to the strong stem. Adjectives ending in ut or yt. Replace t with e and add mpi. Adjectives ending in nut or nyt. Replace ut or yt with e and add mpi. Here are some examples. Puhdas, puhtaampi.
Clean, cleaner.
Kaunis, kauniimpi.
Beautiful, more beautiful.
Lyhyt, lyhyempi.
Short, shorter.
Väsynyt, väsyneempi.
Tired, more tired.
For adjectives ending in nen, you should remove the nen and add sempi. Here are some examples. Suomalainen, suomalaisempi.
Finnish, more Finnish.
Sininen, sinisempi.
Blue, bluer.
Tavallinen, tavallisempi.
Normal, more normal.
Iloinen, iloisempi.
Happy, happier.
Hiljainen, hiljaisempi.
Quiet, quieter.
Vihainen, vihaisempi.
Angry, angrier.
The following words are important because they do not follow the rules we have just learned. Now it's your turn. Conjugate the following adjectives.
Iso, isompi. Kiinalainen, kiinalaisempi. Kevyt, kevyempi. Uusi, uudempi. Kaunis, kauniimpi. Terve, terveempi. Mukava, mukavampi. Punainen, punaisempi.
Kiitos! See you in the next lesson!